Guys, today we're going to be talking about all sorts of interesting facts and insights about love and relationships. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. First off, did you know that when you find out someone likes you, even if you never had feelings for them before, a little part of you starts to like them back? It's like a subconscious thing that happens, almost like a natural reflex. So, if someone has a crush on you, don't be surprised if you find yourself feeling a little drawn to them, even if you weren't initially interested. Now, let's talk about hugging. Have you ever noticed how giving someone a hug can instantly make you feel better? Well, that's because hugging is an instant stress reliever. It releases oxytocin, which is a hormone that promotes feelings of love, bonding, and relaxation. So, next time you're feeling stressed, give someone you love a big hug and feel the stress melt away. Love is a beautiful thing, but it's important to remember that it's not just about lust or passion. True love is something deeper and more meaningful. It's about making a person feel loved and accepted for who they are, and it's about wanting the best for them. So, if you want to make someone fall in love with you, focus on making them feel loved and accepted for who they are. Have you ever noticed that you're often attracted to people who aren't necessarily the most attractive people out there? Well, there's a reason for that. The person you are least attracted to will often be the person who is most attracted to you. It's because they see something in you that others don't. They see your inner beauty and your unique qualities, and they're drawn to that. Speaking of texting, have you ever noticed that you tend to text faster when you're talking to someone you like? It's because you're excited and eager to communicate with them. So, if you find yourself texting someone at lightning speed, it's probably a sign that you have a crush on them. Mirroring is a powerful technique that can impress a date and subtly convey your interest. When you mirror someone's body language, it shows that you're engaged and interested in what they have to say. However, be careful not to copy every move they make. You don't want to come across as creepy or overbearing. Falling in love is a scary thing. You open yourself up to being hurt and rejected. But it's also one of the most beautiful and rewarding experiences in life. So, don't be afraid to fall in love. Just be careful not to fall for the wrong person. It's probably a sign that you have a crush on them. Expressing gratitude towards people you love can have a profound impact on your happiness. Studies have shown that when you express gratitude, your brain releases oxytocin, which is the same hormone that's released during hugging. So, make it a habit to tell your loved ones how much you appreciate them. It will make you both feel happier and more connected. Love has the power to heal wounds, both physical and emotional. When you're in love, your body releases oxytocin, which has pain-relieving effects. So, if you're feeling down or in pain, spending time with someone you love can help you feel better. And here's a fun fact. You can't blame gravity for falling in love. It's a choice that you make. So, if you're in love, it's because you want to be. Studies have shown that people who get married tend to live longer and healthier lives than those who don't. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your health and longevity, getting married might be a good option for you. A person who truly loves you is someone who sees the pain in your eyes while everyone else believes in the smile on your face. They're the ones who are there for you when you need them most, even when it's not convenient or easy. Partners with too much similarity or too many differences tend not to last very long. So, if you're looking for a long-lasting relationship, find someone who is similar to you in some ways and different in others. Did you know that women often feel loved when talking face-to-face with their partner, while men often feel emotionally close when they work, play, or talk side by side? So, if you want to make your partner feel loved, try to spend time with them doing activities that they enjoy. And finally, you're most likely to fall in love with someone if you first meet them in a dangerous situation. It's because when you're in a dangerous situation, your brain releases chemicals that make you feel more attracted to the person you're with. So, if you're looking for love, maybe you should try going on a hike in the woods or something. Alright, guys. That's all for today. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you soon.